Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting and relevant topic, skills based economy versus degree based economy. What does that mean? Well, a skills based economy is one where the skills and competencies of workers are valued more than their formal education or degrees. A degree based economy is one where the level and type of education of workers are used as the main criteria for hiring and promotion. Why is this topic so important? Because the nature of work and careers is changing fast, and in the future, the right skills will be more prized than academic qualifications alone. The COVID 19 pandemic has also accelerated this trend, as many workers have had to adapt to new ways of working and learning. So, let's dive deeper into this topic and see what are the pros and cons of each approach and how they affect different stakeholders in the labor market. According to the World Economic Forum, more than 1 billion jobs, almost one third of all jobs worldwide, are likely to be transformed by technology in the next decade. This means that workers will need to update their skills frequently to keep up with the changing demands of employers and the economy. Some of the skills that are in high demand include digital skills such as coding, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Soft skills such as communication, collaboration, and creativity. And cross functional skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and innovation. So, how can workers acquire these skills? One way is to pursue a formal education, such as degrees or diplomas. Another way is to learn through informal or alternative methods, such as online courses, boot camps, or apprenticeships. Which way is better? Well, there are disadvantages and advantages to both of them. On one hand, a degree based economy has some benefits, such as it can provide a clear and consistent signal of qualifications and abilities of workers as degrees are widely recognized and accepted by employers and society. It can ensure a minimum level of knowledge and competence among workers as degrees are based on standardized curricula and assessments. It can enhance the social and cultural capital of workers as degrees can open up opportunities for networking, mentoring, and career advancement. It can foster innovation and creativity among workers as degrees can expose them to diverse fields and disciplines of the study. On the other hand, a degree based economy also has some drawbacks. Let's discuss what are these. It can exclude or marginalize workers who do not have degrees or have non traditional or alternative forms of education. It can inflate or devalue the worth of degrees as more workers obtain them but do not necessarily have the relevant skills or experience for their jobs. It can discourage or limit the learning and development of workers as they may rely on their degrees as a credential rather than a foundation for further learning. It can also reduce the flexibility and adaptability of workers as they may be locked into a specific career path or sectors based on their degrees. So now let's talk about how does a skill-based economy has some advantages over the degree-based economy. So, skill based economy can reduce the skill gap and the mismatch between the demand supply of talent in the labor market. It can also increase the diversity and inclusion of workers from different backgrounds, especially those who face barriers to access higher education. It can foster lifelong learning and continuous upskilling among the workers as they need to adapt to the changing needs of employers and economy. It can improve the productivity and performance of workers as they can apply their skills directly to their tasks and projects. Now, these were the pros of skills based economy. Let's talk about the cons of skill based economy. So, skill based economy can create uncertainty and instability for workers as they may face more competition and pressure to update their skills frequently. It can lower the quality and standards of education as some employers may not value or recognize the benefits of formal learning and academic credentials. It can increase the inequality and polarization of workers, as some skills may be more valued and rewarded than the others, creating a skill hierarchy. It can pose challenges for employers and workers to assess and verify the skills of candidates and employees, as there may not be common framework or system to measure and certify skills. So, what do we conclude from all this discussion? A skill based economy and a degree based economy have different implications for workers, employers, educators, and policymakers. There is no one size fits all solution for either approach, as each has its strengths and weaknesses. A possible way forward is to adapt a hybrid model that combines both skills and degrees, where workers can demonstrate their skills through various means such as portfolios, projects, badges, or certificates, while also having access to quality education that enhances their knowledge and broadens their perspective. This way, we can benefit from the best of both worlds. Here are some statistics that suggest that degrees are now less needed for jobs. According to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, recent college graduates are more likely than graduates overall to be underemployed. That is, working in jobs that typically do not require a college degree. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, some of the fastest growing occupations in the next decade, such as home health aides, personal care, and solar photovoltaic installers, do not require a college degree. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, 85 million of jobs may be displaced by automation and artificial intelligence, while 97 million new roles may emerge that are more adapted to the new division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms. Many of these roles will require skills that are not necessarily taught in traditional degree programs, such as digital skills, soft skills, and cross-functional skills. According to a survey, some of the top companies that have announced that they no longer require applicants to have a college degree includes Google, Apple, IBM, and Starbucks. These companies are shifting their focus from academic credentials to skills and experiences. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for content like this. See you next time.